Good day, dear viewers, and I welcome us once again to my YouTube channel where I discuss data and data-related issues. Today, we want to look at two important concepts under analysis of data, and that is quantitative data and qualitative data. A lot of people they mixed both of them together, though they do not know, except for practitioners. A lot of people do not know that there is a difference between a quantitative data and a qualitative data. So we try as much as possible to provide solution and clearly differentiate between these two types of data in this content. Once again, for those that are just joining us for the first time, on this channel we discuss data and data-related issues. We discuss data analysis and how it can help individuals and organizations glean insight and meaningful information from raw data. That is how raw data can transform into meaningful information. That is what we try to discuss on this channel. So do not forget to like and also share this video. So back to what we are discussing, the difference between qualitative and quantitative data. So quantitative data is a data that can be measured using numbers and values. Once again, quantitative data is data that can be measured using numbers and values. So it's statistical and it is statistical and typically structured in nature, which means it is more rigid and defined. For example, this data type may answer the question like how much, how many. Meanwhile, the descriptive data analysis provides the what happened when analyzing quantitative data. Quantitative data can be gathered through instruments, through tests, through experiments, through surveys, through market reports, and through metrics. So a few examples of quantitative data are your age, the number of visitors a website records per day, and the number of iPhones sold in 2021. On the other hand, a data is said to be qualitative, right? If it describes qualities and characteristics of something. So quantitative data describes qualities and characteristics. That is why it can be challenging to measure and analyze. It is categorized based on properties, based on attributes, based on labels, and based on other forms of identifiers. So it is also described as what non-statistical and unstructured. So quantitative data can be collected during questionnaires, during interviews, during focus groups or observations. For example, a person's hair color, the shape of the cookies in the box, and the type of car you drive are all examples of what qualitative data. So thank you very much. And that is just the simple difference between a qualitative and a quantitative. When you say something is quantitative, it means it has numbers and it can be counted. But for qualitative, it does not have numbers and therefore it cannot be counted. So quantitative talks about number of things, while qualitative talks about the features and characteristics of things. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope we learned something new today.